Good afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. So today I am going to start with some salmon rice paper parcels. And basically what those are is you use the spring roll wraps, which are the clear wraps that I usually use for summer rolls. And then this is the last piece of that Sam's Club seasoned salmon. And I'm basically just going to combine that with some cream cheese. And I have some green onion that I was regrowing from the ends. So I'm going to use those. And I'm just going to put the salmon that's already marinated. Don't need to do anything with that. So I'm going to put the salmon, cream cheese, and spring onion in the wrappers. And then we're going to cook those in just a little bit of spray oil, maybe some sesame oil, and crisp those up. And then I have about half a bag of, this is the Taylor Farms Salsa Ranch Kit. And to that, I'm going to add some strawberries, a mandarin, I have an English cucumber, some Clover Sprouts, some lemon stuffed mushrooms. I have some pickled red onions, homemade, in there. I need to do some more. I can tell it's getting low. And then I have some Southwest chili lime, basically just little crunchy bits. For dressing, I'm going to use a homemade Ponzu, which is just citrus. In this case, it's lemon juice. There's a little bit of orange juice, some soy sauce, and some rice vinegar in there. So I'm just going to use that as a dressing. And that's it. The only thing that I need to actually do cooking-wise is to cook the salmon in the spring rolls and then prep the salad. And that is everything. Hey guys, welcome back for dinner. So I wasn't sure what I wanted for dinner, but I did know that looking at my macros for the day, I needed to have a pretty good protein bump. So this is what I came up with. I had some bean soup in the freezer, and I had taken one of those out to thaw. And with that, I'm gonna do just like you remember Wendy's chili potatoes? That's the basic idea. I have some Yukon Gold potatoes, butter, some of the beans that I made in the Instant Pot, and then I'm going to put some Greek yogurt and some green onions on there. And then I still needed some other items with protein in there. So I'm going to have a sweet Thai chili pack and some 4% cottage cheese. And that should put me pretty spot on for my macros for the day.